Okay, so here we are back at the piano again. I'm going to start now with the C sharp, and I've turned off a couple of fans because I had this sort of ventilator going, and because the app seems to be picking stuff up, so I thought I'd try it without the fans. I've still got the window open because it's kind of warm, but I'm going to go for C sharp. So I've got C should already be good. That's our C. I'm going to take my wrench off. There we go. And then we go to the C sharp. So I'm going to try the longer mute, and this time we're on the three strings. So it's a bit annoying this bar is here, because if it wasn't there then I could go a bit lower on the dampers. So that's one of them dampened off, and I'm going to go on the other side. It does feel a bit high up to be damping the strings. So that's technically one, the middle one. So if I go here, get my wrench on, loosen it off a bit. Yeah, it's wavering a bit, so it's kind of hard to tell. It's a couple of cents under. It seems pretty good. So I'm going to now, that's the middle one. So if I now take my mutes off and put them in between the right two, should give me just the left one. So now I can go up to the top, find that one, and if I pull it down a bit, too much. Way too much. Ooh, that seems quite good. So that's the middle one and the left one done. So hopefully now we just get the right one. Yeah, it went down. Technically that should sound okay. That sounds shite. Oh dear. Right, let's check the left one again. Seems alright. This is the right one. And then you want the middle one? Oh, so that appears to have slipped. See if that sounds any better. Yeah, it's a bit flat. And even C's reading a bit flat now. That sounds a bit. Oh, could be worse. Try another one, and then maybe I could come back to it. Sounds pretty clear tone already, even though it's saying that it's 15 cents flat. So let's try. Tell you what, let's try the left. We'll go left, middle, right. See, that says flat. Sounds quite good. Let's try one. Middle one. I wonder how much you need to dampen it before it actually doesn't sound. It should be the middle one. And we'll try the right one. Says it's a bit flat. Just going to try just raising it. Maybe a bit of a loose pin, that one. Doesn't sound that bad. Sounds bad. Sounds alright. Okay, let's try the next one. middle one. Seems to be alright. The middle one. Next one. Get our bodges in. It's getting pretty hot in here. I'll have to turn the fan back on. Let's try this one first. So, we are on E. That's good. apparently in tune. Sounds a bit dodgy. Okay, we'll see. Stop the video for now.